Hey folks, I'm Linda Sheets, mixed media and scratchboard artist, and I'm here today to continue scratching away on the Ampersand Art Scratchboard. Now in my last video, I showed you how to do a drawing on this scratchboard. If you're just joining us now, our scratchboard is a specially sealed hard board coated with white kaolin clay and then sprayed with black ink. You use sharp tools to cut into the surface and to create an artwork that sometimes resembles an etching or even a woodcut. Alright, let's grab this 5x7 board and start playing around with some of the different tools that are in the Ampersand Art tool set. Now if you look at the Ampersand website, you can find a list of dealers in order to obtain the toolkit, the ink set, and even boards in different sizes. As you see here, there are a variety of sizes. This is the scratch knife. If you can only buy one tool for now, this is the one to get. It comes with two tips that are interchangeable in the handle. The pointed knife is great for fine lines and scratching in your design or drawing. The tip that looks like a scalpel is good for removing a lot of the black surface quickly. You can make some really bold lines with this tool. I use both of these tips a lot in my drawings. It's my go-to tool. The fine line or needle tool is one of my favorites for adding interesting texture, cross-hatching, and hair or fur effects. It's best to use it at a right angle to the board, or more upright. If you try to use it like this, you will most probably bend the needles and won't get good crisp lines. So, more upright equals better lines. Bent needles? It just makes me sad to see this. The wire brush is great for pulling out rough texture quickly. The wires are tough, so no worries about breaking them. Many use this tool for hair or fur. Our oil-free steel wool comes in gauges from fine to coarse. You can get some great shading and texture with this. I really love the way it looks. The fiberglass eraser is another tool that can give you great shading and texture. I always wear gloves when using it because it creates little fiberglass splinters and bits. Be careful where you direct your shavings, and even if you get a splinter now and then, usually you can just wash your hands well with soap and water and you'll be good to go. A lot of folks use a variety of X-Acto knives to scratch. Here are just a few. Once you've scratched away the black, you can add some color using our inks or other paints. I'll be back soon and we'll work more with Ampersand inks and other mediums to color and embellish the artwork. In the meantime, have fun scratching.